Hello guys, we'll be playing horror games, rip off horror gorilla tag games. But for Archie, we're just gonna be playing, right? First, scary baboon, because I suck at horror games, so we're gonna have the instant. No, we're not. We're leaving him.
Yeah, we are.
Oh yeah, they can move. I just saw Super Saiyan Big Randy walk past.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
I saw Banshee.
Let's go.
Wait, we're not waiting for Parker?
No.
Thought we were.
No, why would we wait for him?
Alright, come on, let's go. Whoever else.
Gar.
Your man Curly. Alright, so what's the goal?
Go pool.
For this game? Go to pool?
And then we'll be trying to beat our goals. Yeah. Alright, let's go.
Each game, you do a goal?
Yeah.
Basically. So it's go to pool.
We gotta make a run for it, right? Let's go, hurry.
3. Go! Huh?
I heard them. But Jackson, you have to go ahead. You have to go ahead.
Why me?
Because...
You're leaders.
Why not you? What are the reasons that you shouldn't go?
Not you.
So go, I don't care what you say.
Oh, didn't you say that you were getting the monster tracker?
I don't have it.
Okay.
I didn't say I was getting it. It's too much money. I'm broke.
How much is it?
$10.
Oh, it's not. It's 5.
And that's not the monster tracker. It's back here.
Oh, that's the... Yeah, I know.
We're leaving Parker.
Yeah.
You go ahead.
This is taking too long. Alright. 3. No, I saw him right there.
It doesn't matter. He went the other way. It doesn't matter if he goes.
5, 4, 5, 3, 2, 1.
Run.
Go. Why? Saw him?
Yo, why is that closed?
Open. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Yo, just book it. Book it. Oh, he's not even that close. Book it. Go this way. Go this way. This is closer.
I thought you said it was closer.
Yeah. Okay. Made it. Interesting. Alright. So
Parker's calling me.
Add me, alright?
We already finished our goal of going to pool without dying. First try. We're in pool right now. No, you forgot the 10, but we're just playing the next game. Yeah, but alright, Jackson, Parker, we're going in Fun Monkey Horror. Rat 1, 2, 3.
Fun Monkey Horror 2?
Yeah, Fun Monkey Horror 2. Alright. Guys, we're all gonna be on call, right? Add Jackson. Add him. Don't have time for this. Or should we just call Rat Team? Right. Yeah. We did Scary Baboon like where is it? We did Scary Baboon like instantly. Alright, we did it like instantly. It's like back run. Bro, why does it take so long to load? Oh god, that scared me. I'm in tutorial. Guys, this is my first time playing this. So this is I have long arms too. I have extremely long arms.
Oh, guys, let me get my trusted user in 1 minute and 52 seconds.
Yeah, you
It's
look
my
like-
name.
Guys,
Guys,
I'm
I'm
trusted
trusted user. Whatever you want to do, they say I just got to join my phone. I really want trusted user. I'm gonna get in 1 minute and 50 seconds. I'm trusted user. I don't have the badge with the glow stick.
How do I change my name? Who said it was round 1, 2, 3? Who said it was round 1, 2, 3? No. Rat balls. You guys have to show me how to change my name.
Okay, I'm in.
I'm in. Hey, my meter's right here.
Where are the cosmetics?
Come here.
Huh? What do you do? What do you mean?
Over here, the cosmetics.
Is
I just want to see.
is there anything for free?
Wait, I don't think.
I'm broke.
I don't think. Oh, look, store right here. Store.
I have 1,000 crystals.
Store. Let's see.
Look right here. Store.
Backstab, blue cap, or summer.
Let's do hats.
Store.
I want a glass helmet. How much do I have?
Banana. Oh, banana! I want to get the banana holdable.
Wait, how do you know how much stuff you have?
1,000.
Wait, how do you know you have 1,000?
Oh, I need.
Bro, they spoke guitar.
How do you know how much stuff you have?
I need to go to my other room.
How do you know how
Oh,
much
no,
stuff
ducks
you
too. I might cop.
Alright, store. I'm gonna do hats. I'm gonna do this.
How do you see how much stuff you have?
Alright, guys, I'm dripped
Look
out.
at me! I got a glass helmet.
What the-
I got a glass helmet.
I'm ready.
What else?
Look at me.
Hold on, wait.
What is this thing? What is this thing in my hand?
I got the donuts. I got the donuts.
I have the.
I'm dripped out. Look at me. I have a duck.
Body cosmetics.
Oh my God, yes.
Alright,
Banana suit.
guys.
Oh, I can't buy it.
Why did no one tell me about this?
How do you have?
Why
zero
did no one
crystals
tell me
after
about
you
this?
What?
Oh,
Oh yeah. You should have before.
oh,
Yeah, look at me. I'm dripped out. I'm dripped out. I'm dripped
I have
out.
the most drip.
I have the glass. I got the glass
Right.
helmet, the donut,
I
and
have
the
more.
banana.
Be quiet. I have the
Body
most drip. Alright, guys, come.
Okay, where's the actual horror area? Like, start.
Oh, it's
In that
this
little
way.
forest
This
area
way.
thingy?
Over here.
It ain't that way, Tristan. It's over here. There's rat.
Alright, what's the
Why?
tutorial, guys?
That one.
What's the,
Oh, yo. First, you already know we gotta do this.
Yes!
Listen.
rat
Hold on. So we turn on new fun.
First, we're doing that.
Oh, no.
Guys, go to mirror. Go to mirror.
No, we're already recording.
Oh no, no, I'm not.
Go to Rat Run.
Oh my gosh. That run is crazy. You have to outrun the rat.
Where is he? Can he come in here?
You go past by it's a huge rat. Like, trust me.
Alright,
Oh my God.
our goal is to beat this level because, right, why not? It's a rat level.
I don't think you can't beat levels. It's just for fun.
Alright, we'll be doing like 5 minutes of this level.
It's a cheese.
Oh, I see it.
Oh, we have to go over there. We have to go towards the
Where?
arrow. We have to go towards the arrow.
What arrow? What?
This arrow.
Oh, the green is
As soon as he passes by.
Guys. Oh, I see the arrow.
What do we do here?
I see the arrow.
Right, run to the other arrow.
There's another arrow.
And as soon as the rat passes, you have to go to the other arrow.
Oh, it's like a void moving wall.
Yeah, basically like Taylor ball.
She's passing. Yo, that game was a classic.
But be quiet. Why are we talking about Roblox?
Because like,
I know about it, but like, I know about it. I'm not done.
The classic.
Bro,
Alright.
first time reaching to the end.
Oh. So there is the end to this.
You can go get like a secret like cosmetic.
yes,
Maybe.
Like a rat.
Jackson, let's go here. You're good. You're cooked.
No, I'm not. I am. I'm cooked. I'm cooked.
Oh, Tristan.
Parker, wait for me. Don't leave me. Bro, you...
I know.
Parker, don't go without me, alright?
I can't because the rat just passed it by.
Is there an end to this?
Oh, it's for us. It's for us. I'm inside. I'm inside.
No.
Okay, I want you to
I beat it.
this button TPs you back to the start. Purchase rat badge.
Yes.
Rat badge. Yeah, there's a rat badge. I just claimed it just to.
Alright. I'm putting that on.
Your rubber ducky's in the way, so I can't really see.
Alright, we have to go to stop. Let's...
I'm gonna go to back.
No, we're ending it now. We're ending this part.
No, we were not. We were going to shop. ASAP.
Yeah, we're going to shop.
I mean, not. We're not shop, but back. We're gonna do back.
No, we're not.
We're gonna do back.
What? How do I turn stuff off?
I think it's exclusive. Rat run badge. Yeah. What does it say? I can't see it because your rubber ducky's in the way.
I beat Rat Run. I don't have mine's equipped. I don't know where it is.
I'm just gonna take that. Well, actually, since we're the rat team, we have to keep this on.
Yeah.
Or the rat team. So.
Yeah, we're gonna do one more level, and then we're switching.
One more level on us. Has to be. Can we do backrooms now?
Alright, let me pick the level. If there's any rat-related levels.
Okay, where are you?
Slender Tubbies. No, we're doing Slender Tubbies.
Backroom.
Slender Tubbies? I actually love that. No, that's actually a good one.
Tubbies. Oh my god.
Good one. They can come here. Keep that in mind. So go for the top.
What is Slender Tubbies?
Look at them.
Oh dang, what are they supposed to do?
We just like outrun them or something.
Oh, outrun them? We have to like
Guys, can you beat this level or no?
What happened? I don't think
We can't do this level then. Guys, let's just go to the next part. This is unending. We already beat our goal anyways, which is to beat Rat Run.
True. Oh.
Okay, I think we have to beat this. I think, oh no.
Alright. No. Next game is Isolation Chimps, right? How do you get back?
You press TP.
I'm so happy I got this cosmetic.
Where the heck is isolation chimps.
You don't have that game.
No, that's a different game.
Guys, come to shop.
Oh.
I'm so happy I got this badge.
I'm stuck. How am I stuck?
What does it say? I forgot.
Wait, I didn't even get the badge. I gotta do that.
No,
all
what does
over
it say
again.
though?
Oh, there we go.
Oh, let me check. It says, I beat Rat
Alright,
Run.
go to isolation chimps. Actually,
I don't have
Gorilla Tag
Isolation
Horror,
Chimps.
Jackson. Yeah, I know, but just teleport. There's also a rat. We're trying to get that rat. Gorilla Tag Horror. Jackson, get on. Oh yeah, this is... It's just regular tutorial. What the? Yo. Big J-Man curly head? That scared me. Yo, why am I so slow? Wait. I'm so slow. Oh, how did I mess that up? I suck. I messed up the wall jump. I'm at the end. Oh! I hit my leg. See for yourself. I actually have not seen the jump scare. You can't die. No, when you're going to tree. It's just a big tree. Where is Stump? Yeah. I don't know how to get out of here. Your internet is doo-doo. It's not my fault. I don't know how to get out. Yo, where is Stump? Wait, is it at the red board or no? Yeah, no one cares, bro. I'm trying to find out my way how to get out of the Stump. There's a big tree, but... There's two big trees. I don't know why. Out of which big tree is Stump? Oh, I'm trying to get out. Is it where info is? Bro, my brightness is doo-doo cheese. I don't see anything. Why is there two big trees? Rat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I thought you charge the Oculus.
Come on, I don't bite.
What is it? Who is Stalker?
Hello, everybody. My name is Markiplier.
Do you guys want to play a different game? Alright guys, we'll be playing a different game because this is broken. Alright guys, join Chimp Lab VR. Yeah. Well, it's a scary game, ain't it? What's it about then? What are you doing it then? Exactly, but it's a horror level. There's guns?
No. Yeah.
Well, I don't know. Maybe
You wanna
just
do
because
the
it's.
guns level with me? You wanna do the guns level with me? We can do the guns level if you want.
Yeah.
Okay, but if I die here, then I wanna do it. No. Okay, let's do it. Or you wanna beat it first? Someone said they wanted to do the gun level with me. Oh no, spooky of them.
Yes, sir.
No, are you serious? Where are you? Where are you? I'm in.
Yo, how do I join different servers? It says friend username. Is that where I'm supposed to be?
Oh, I gotta take.
I already have my username. Oh, I got it.
I got a shit real bad. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Where are you guys?
I'm right here.
What is this? What is this? No, Rat 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no, I don't want that. Is there any good cosmetics that I have enough for?
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, why is there floor is lava? Dang. This is cool.
Hey man, where are ya?
Oh, dang it.
Floor's lava's easy. No, this is easy.
Yeah, I know it is easy. I just like put my hand on the desk.
I suck my balls. I
Bro,
hate
you
this game.
pushed me.
This is rip-off competitive.
No, it's not. Way easier.
It's rip-off
Bro,
competitive.
why would you even call this competitive? Why would you even call this
Oh, that's a slippery wall.
Bro, my face, my Oculus fell off my head.
That's a slippery.
Yo, I suck at this. I have.
Oh no!
It's a slippery.
No, I almost made it. I almost made it.
Okay.
Oh, bro, I could. Oh my gosh, I just like.
I'm dead. This is so hard. They changed this by a lot.
Oh, bro. Oh, shit.
I missed that so badly. I'm just.
Mr. says.
You know you get you get the tokens for this game at the end, right?
Nice.
That's all we're doing.
How many
this for.
tokens do you get? How many
Yo, I
tokens
suck
do you
at
get?
this.
How many tokens do you get, bro?
Wait, look at the instructions. I just realized there's an instruct. Is that Freddy? Did I just realize Freddy?
Did you guys just notice that?
Fat bear. Pretty fat bear. Pixel is. Oh my god.
Yo, why did I slide off? Why did I slide off this?
Blue lights. slippery.
Okay, okay,
Oh,
okay.
guys, it says white light normal. That means it isn't slippery. Blue light means it's slippery, and stone means climbable.
Yo, I keep slipping off that dumb
These are not
stone.
slippery.
So stone you have to like
Climb.
you have to grab it and climb.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Man, I wish there was still a tutorial in this game for this.
Yo, who just pushed me?
He overjumped. You overjumped.
Nah, Parker pushed me.
How can I push
What?
you? You can't even push anybody in this game.
Yes, you could.
You can't.
Yeah, you could block people. There's hitboxes for players.
Alright.
Parker, you may or may have not been cooked.
Pixels is a funny chimp.
Yo, I suck.
Yeah, that's what I read.
I think we should do something else, cause I don't think you get a lot from
No!
this. Unless they made it higher.
Yo, I keep slipping off that.
Okay, I made it. Okay.
I just realized I can go on top of.
I hate this. How am I gonna beat this?
Oh, it's easy. Trust me, I got to the first one.
No!
wait.
Dang, I fell. It's so hard at that
Okay.
end. Okay. I'm done. I ain't doing that
No,
anymore.
I found a trick to get past that wall bounce part. You go on top of it
Yo,
like this. Oh my god!
yo, why do I keep messing that up?
Overjumped it by so far.
Yo, I hit my
I
window.
wish there was a banana cosmetic, but I only have a burger.
What do you say?
No, me burger. Burger.
Oh my god! Wait, that's actually harder. That's harder to do, actually. What I just said.
Yo, Jackson!
I pushed you by accident. Oh my god, I did it!
I hope you
did it!
fail. Here, suck my balls.
It's slippery walls. It's slippery walls at the outside. They knew what I was gonna do.
Can we actually get to like the actual part?
Yeah, should
where
we play the horror
like,
game
do
now?
the actual horror instead
Yeah.
of
Nah.
I beat it. I'm doing
You
it
did?
again.
you actually
Yeah, I'm
did?
doing it again.
What'd you get from it?
I don't know. I forgot.
Bro, you just got it. You didn't beat it.
I have short-term memory. I'm literally Riley from Inside Out. I have short-term.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna actually play the horror stuff. So you guys, nothing. You guys are literally doing nothing, and I'm actually playing the game, right?
Oof. Oh god. I'm here!
Yo, I'm so mad.
Actually played the game.
What
I'm not giving up, bro. Why am I jump so slow? Bro,
Yo, what are you? Parker, where are you?
I'm actually doing my game while you guys are just.
No. I'm
wait
pro.
for me,
I don't
guys.
know who you are. No, you're taking to.
I know where the button is on this.
Where are you? Wait for me.
I know what to do on like a few levels.
Wait for me.
yo,
And
guys, alright, we're gonna play a different
Bro, go
game
back
if
to
you
spawn.
guys don't come.
Bro, we're not even doing it. You're
How do we
taking-
beat those slippery walls?
Slippery wall.
Bro, come these.
Yes, he is. The blue one?
Yeah, the blue one. Where is it?
There's a dealer for some reason. What the
Okay, are you
dealer?
guys actually doing the game? or
You can get mods.
playing
There's
the
a.
game?
Oh
What? What?
my
What is it?
god.
What is it?
He's beautiful.
What is it?
Wait, he only costs 500. How much do I have?
Wait, guys, how much do you get for beating the lava?
Absolutely nothing.
No, you get.
Parker, come, and Jackson, come.
What?
He ain't no dog, bro. You say Jackson, come.
Oh, where?
How do you beat that blue slippery wall over there?
All you have to do is basically just jump off it.
Just jump off it immediately.
Why'd you say off it? You said it like off it.
Yeah, I said it in a new
What little thingy, whatever thingy are you talking about?
Oh god. It's not a whole
Size changer?
Yeah.
Lars?
Did you see the faces?
An actual mod wardrobe mirror. Oh my.
Look at him.
Why did
Yo!
tell me this?
I made it, but like I fell.
Right?
Why didn't my friend
Beautiful,
not tell me
right?
this? I
Oh, wait.
want to get.
He's beautiful, right? He costs 500.
Yo! How much you get for beating this?
Why are you?
No.
Bro, you literally beat it.
Size changer's pretty cool.
Jackson didn't actually beat it.
I don't have enough.
Oh, it's a super squirter.
Maybe if you beat this.
Yo, you want Oculus inside of the Oculus?
Squirter.
You want an Oculus inside of the Oculus?
Parker, do you know how much you get for beating that?
Here. You want an Oculus? Come buy an Oculus with me.
Is it free?
Oh. Do I have enough? I don't think no, I don't have
500.
enough. I only have
How do you
100
get crystals? I have enough for that mask. I have enough. I have
Do the
enough.
aim training.
The mask. Where is it?
This
Okay,
one right
can we
here.
actually do the levels instead of like doing
Oh, that's fine.
absolutely nothing?
I also like this one.
This
Imagine the view.
is
imagine
this.
the people
This is the
watching.
one I'm getting. Definitely.
Guys, this
See?
is a scam.
Guys, we're actually gonna be playing this game. We gotta play this game more often. Guys, let's do the aim training.
Where do I buy it? Where do I buy it?
Did you press?
It's in my
press that
cart
cart?
already. I know.
Yeah, over there. You press it
I
right
know.
here.
I move. I bought both of them. Where do I equip?
These are bullets.
I'm in the gun area, but I don't know how to like.
The guns are right. I have. The gun is right here, but I can't grab it.
Guys,
Oh yeah, it's right here. I forgot.
I have my. Should I change my color code to red?
Oh, you have to buy them. Like actually buy them. Why are you changing your color code?
Because so it looks better. Oh my god.
Left.
Like 100.
No, my Oculus died. How?
What just happened?
Bro, how do you actually hold a gun and shoot it? Like I selected a gun. This weapon will be on your chest.
Parker, do you know how to equip cosmetics? Parker, how do I equip cosmetics? On. Pick up. You don't pick up, Parker. Where are you?
I thought you said your VR died. How are you still on right now?
Guys, how do I equip cosmetics?
How do you?
Oh, I got it. I got it.
How do you? It says that the thing will be on my chest.
Yeah,
I don't see flipping anything.
we're
on my
starting the
chest.
horror mode. Parker, wait, what did you try getting?
I'm trying to. I equipped this pistol, and it says this weapon will be on your chest. I'm grabbing my chest, and it will not work.
Do I have the gun? Parker, how do I grab the guns?
Oh, wait a minute. You have to select a gun. I think once you go up here, then. Okay, I'm just gonna do the actual.
Parker, alright, let's go. But you like my cosmetics?
I already. Cosmetics. Oh, bro, that's good to know where you are, because now you're so bald.
Yo, suck my
More
balls.
bald than Mr. Clean now.
Alright, what do we do? No, send call. So watch it while you on call.
Okay.
Alright. After this level, we're getting this game. No, we're not. Yo, wait, where's the button?
Oh, I forgot about the button. Yeah, follow me. What game are we gonna be doing next? Ow, Sigma. Where's the Scooby toilet? Follow me.
I don't know.
Isolation. Wait a minute. Isolation gym. What's isolation gym?
We're not doing that next.
What are we doing? Oh, I cannot speak. What one are we doing?
Is there a monster in here? Is this the button?
But yeah, that's the button. No, it isn't. If you actually went to the horror area, it's 10 times, not even 10 times bigger than that. It's way more huge than that little one. That small guy used to actually give you a jump scare.
Well, Parker's so slow.
What do you mean? You're like 10 meters
Because my
away.
game just lagged out so badly.
Yeah, so I know so.
I'm being so for real. Alright, Parker, let's go to the next game after this level.
What? Is it this way? No, not this way.
You heard him?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Probably, you.
But we've 1v1 before. We already know I'm better. Parker, don't believe him.
If I see you guys 1v, I'm not saying like who is like the best at fighting and stuff. I'm saying who's actually nicer and says, well, gives actually good codes instead of rap. You know what?
Oh yeah, that's Jackson. If you're doing it like that.
That was you that made the code.
Wait, you're talking about who made what is that thing?
You know, that's all of them. Were you flicking these levers?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now this is the last one right here.
I know.
This is as far as I possibly got. This is almost
Parker, let's get off. Let's go to the next game.
Bro, can't we just like do one game and just call it like just try to beat it? Well, not beat it, but like, you know.
No, bro, we're supposed to be doing a couple.
Okay, what
Alright,
game's
Gorilla
next?
Tag, Gorilla Fear, I'm pretty sure. Let me just check. Yeah, it's called Gorilla Tag Fear.
Gorilla Tag.
But who's better, me or Jackson?
Jackson.
Oh my. Parker, I promise we've 1v1 that I'm better.
Yeah, but did I say?
Did you say what? Did you download the game?
Oh no, I did get further than this. Cause then it was actually.
Did you download the game?
I'm downloading it right now. My headset battery's low too, so.
On the charger.
Oh no, let me pick it up! Finally. Oh, I forgot. You actually have to pick up the screwdriver.
Where is it?
For me, it's right here, but it spawns in other
Alright,
places.
Parker, come.
Oh, he was in that hall? How the heck? Oh, I'm so dumb.
Parker, but who's better if you at playing the game?
Maybe. I don't really know. I want one that's kind of hard.
So Parker, we've 1v1 before, and I won. Does that give you help?
Oh,
To choose. Parker,
oh, there we go. Fine.
download the game. I want to see the jump scare. That was dumb.
You want to see the jump?
Yeah, alright, download. Is the game downloaded?
Okay, my headset battery's at 5%, so we have to hurry up. Yeah, it is.
Alright, get on it. Alright, where are you going?
You know where I'm going.
No, I don't.
Casino.
Oh my.
Yes.
Alright, bye.
You can't make noise. Papa's gonna go to sleep soon, okay? I'm coming. You heard me?
Yeah, I heard. It looks like monkey horror. You played this?
I did it.
Yeah, I'm in a lobby too.
Homie boys.
Ho-
Homies. Bye.
No.
Come here.
Get away from me.
What lobby should we go in?
No, bro. I just wanted to tag you. Hey, yo, you got something.
I have a disease. What is happening?
Like, hi.
Guys, join code hi. Yo, I just want to tell somebody.
And stump.
Does anybody
Hey.
want to be my friend? Why do I not? I'm just very good at the game.
The big giant tree.
Wait, what?
Come on. Like, hi only?
Parker, you're blind.
Yeah,
Hi, like, hi.
Yeah. Like my
Alright, ready?
My name.
Yeah, I heard you.
2. Oh, what?
One.
What happened?
Yeah, it's called Gorilla Tag Fear. Aren't you in that game?
Ready?
What happened to my name? What? Over there. Over there. Over there.
Where is computer?
Don't touch. Okay, you ready?
Parker, where's computer? You... Up what mountain thing? Parker, you mean like up that big tree? Yeah. I found it. I found it already.
To me. Can you?
Yeah. Oh, I look terrifying.
And why? Oh, dang. I like this card. Dang.
Give me it now.
Okay, anyways, I'm gonna go to shop. shop is literally trash. I don't think it has any cosmetics. It doesn't even have any
This
cosmetics.
is not a shop.
Or it is shop.
This is op. IHOP question mark? Get me out of here. Parker,
And what makes this honestly like scary?
that,
And how do we get through this
let's go
fence?
to volcano. Can I have that color code?
Weren't that Sigma? Oh, it's an actual volcano, Peter. Oh my gosh, it's so bouncy.
Is there monsters?
Yeah, I think there's one right there. Wait a minute, I'm actually going into the volcano.
Parker, can I have that color code? It's awesome.
Shut up.
Did you just call me? That's racist. I mean, I say black monkey every time, so. Parker, over here, there's a monster.
Does that monkey even chase us? Doesn't even chase us. Doesn't even jump scare us? If this monkey doesn't even jump scare
It's right here.
us, it's the worst.
Parker, go across the volcano. Rip off Tiptoe. He looked like Rip off Tiptoe in the jump scare. Why? Does it kick you out of the code? I got kicked out. Are you in Rat 123? No, you're not. You're not in here. No, join Rat 123. You're not in there. You got kicked. We got kicked out. This game sucks.
Really, cosmetics that you could equip.
Ew, why do you have a
This is like-
disease? Get away. Go to cave. Oh, nah.
Oh, heck nah. I'm good. I'm good, bro. I'm
Parker,
good.
where you
The
going?
monkey chasing me.
Oh. Take that disease. Oh, it moves. Alright, guys, we'll be ending the video here. Bye-bye. Huzzah!